Hi everyone! Today I'll be walking you through how to create a Revel Rewards account, keep track of your Revel points, and redeem points to use towards coupons. Making a Revel Rewards account is simple. On the home page of our website, navigate to the top right of your screen and click on the person icon. From here, click on the Create One button and enter your information. Once you've entered in your name, email address, and password, confirm your information and hit Create My Account. You are now officially a Revel Rewards member. To review your information, click on the Rewards tab on the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see how many points and rewards you currently have, ways you can earn points, rewards you can earn, your tier ranking, and your reward history. Once you have earned enough points to redeem a reward, you can do so very easily. Under Rewards, select Get Reward on the voucher you want to redeem. Here it will ask you to confirm your selection and give you a coupon code. This code can be copied to your clipboard by selecting the clipboard button and paste it in the discount code screen at checkout. A new feature on our checkout page is the ability to redeem your remaining rewards for coupons. Here, as you can see, we have 75 points, which can be redeemed for a $5 off code. In order to apply this discount, drag the slider based on how many points you'd like to redeem and select the Redeem button. This coupon will immediately be applied to your purchase. It's important to note that this coupon cannot be combined with any other coupon codes and cannot be stacked with current Revel rewards. We have implemented these changes to ensure that your Revel Rewards experience will be better than ever. For further questions, please reach out to our customer service team at sales@revelnail.com or message us on our social media platforms. Thank you.